I got a late night video for you guys, making a video about Hbar and Hedera soaring 25% amidst the entire cryptocurrency market imploding on itself. We're going to talk about why. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So first things first, we are looking at Hbar over here, and Hedera Hbar soars 24% and overtakes Litecoin following Swift partnership confirmation. Okay, guys, look at this. The rally follows Swift announcement of integrating Hedera's blockchain across North America, Europe, and Asia. It's a pretty big deal to have a blockchain integrated with Swift. It says Hbar faces resistance at 28 cents at the time of this document or this article. The February 3rd high with a breakout potential leading to further upside. We're going to be talking about that. When you look at Hbar here, we are seeing quite a rejection off a very, very important market cap level of about 10.61 billion with a B. Guys, right now it is tough. It is tough for altcoins to succeed because, well, let's be honest here. Altcoins, we've seen a massive liquidity extraction event happen time and time again with all these meme coins, these governments launching meme coins. People, a lot of insiders just basically rugging the retail investors. And on top of that, you have Bitcoin coming all the way down to, say, about 82,000. We saw a wick down to all the way $78,000, guys. It's no joke. We're seeing a little bit of relief here. We'll take a look at that shortly. But, guys, when you look at Hbar right now, in my opinion, what you want to see if you are an Hbar bull in the short term, you want to see a daily candle closure above $10.61 billion. And we saw a little bit of a wick up here, but guys, this is not what you really want to see if you are a bull here is a little bit of a rejection off and then a higher high. But I have to be honest with you guys, when you look at the overall market, I am leaning a little bit more bearish unless Bitcoin can bottom out here. But I think that right now in the short term, we should expect Bitcoin to make a little bit of a relief rally. But we'll take a look at that shortly. But I do expect Bitcoin to be kind of the tide that raises all the boats right now and the tide that crashes all the boats to the ground and crashes it throughout the reef. Because I think that right now, a lot of people are fed up with altcoins. A lot of the retail investors are seeing what many of these altcoins are for what they actually are. And a lot of the memes are just money grabs. And it's a shame because that money grab meme coins, they overshadow actual utility plays like Hbar, guys. I will say, though, I do expect volatility here across the board when it comes to altcoins. I do expect a little bit of relief, but Hbar trading at this level, I really want to see it close above 10.61 billion for me to say, hey, okay, maybe we have a little bit more upside here in the short term. But if you guys do want to take advantage of this volatility, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as there's a $5.6 million trading competition going on right now. If you sign up using my link down below, you become a part of my team. And the more trading volume we do together, the more money we could potentially get out of that prize pool. So check that out down below. So Hbar, Hedera is setting at rank 11, up about 13.19% in the past 7 days, and about 7.94% gain in the past 24 hours. It is nice to see a market outlier right now due to news, because it feels like nothing can really send utility coins up right now because, like I said, the market has been beaten and battered, and retail is beaten up. They're over it. Their retail investors are out of this place, and they're saying, hey, I need a break. I had all my money stolen from meme coin rugs. But it is a breath of fresh air to see a utility coin getting a positive gain amidst the entire market kind of really dumping, guys. You look at this, we're sitting at a $10.27 billion market cap with a $1 billion 24-hour volume. 61% gain to the upside is very nice, trading at about 24.5 cents. But guys, like I said, over on Crypto Twitter, follow me at 23blackc. I say, if you're still here, let me know, because retail is gone. That's what I was saying. Retail is gone. They will come back, though. They will come back as long as Bitcoin plays nice, as long as Bitcoin doesn't go into a multi-year bear market, which, guys, I will say, if you watched my video from yesterday, I talk a lot about my thoughts on where we're at in this market and how we could be going through a mini bear market like 2021, or the top is unfortunately in, because this time the macroeconomics of the world is much different than what it was back in 2021. Money is much tighter now, and there's quantitative tightening going on. There's less liquidity moving around. It's tough out there for risk on assets, and that is altcoins for sure, guys. But you look at the entire market, we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. Bitcoin's trading at 86,000, up about 1.72%. Bitcoin dominance trading at 60.15, excluding stablecoins, about 62.15. Guys, Bitcoin dominance can't figure out what it wants to do. It is just, it can't price in this market because there's so much uncertainty going on in the traditional world. It's trading like there's tariffs. Oh, we're crashing down. Oh, the tariffs are getting moved next week. Oh, we're getting a bounce. It's very, very, I say crashing down, but you want altcoins, you want Bitcoin dominance to crash down because then you'll see Hedera and all your alts perform well. But I think we chop around here until the traditional market digests what's going on in the macroeconomics of the world with all these tariff fears. Then we have to wait for that to play out before we get anywhere close to an altcoin season. And you look at Bitcoin right now, guys, and guys, I am bearish short term. I am bearish, and it could be that bearish in the short term could turn into long term depending on how this goes. But in the short term, guys, my eyes are on 88,000 and 94K. We could, throughout March, bounce all the way to 94K, but if we don't close above it, if we don't really like V-shape out of this, if we reject off 94,000, which I think there's a high likelihood of something like this playing out, then I think that we probably make new lows. We probably go to 72K. This is a very, very, it is a level that there's so much liquidity sitting at. It would really behoove all these exchanges and market makers to push the price down there. It would liquidate so many players. And last time I checked, when we were up here, before we broke down around like 96,000, there was like $30 billion in liquidity sitting at this level right here at like 72,000. So I would not be surprised at all to see that play out, guys. But be patient. I think that it's nice to see Hedera and, people actually building, just because in the cryptocurrency space, there's so much vaporware and there's so much money grabbing and scamming going on. Seeing actual projects and companies that have utility, making new partnerships, I'm bullish on that. I am bullish on coins building utility. I love to see coins that have use cases, not just a crypto casino. And it is nice to see that with Hedera, and I hope Hedera performs well. And like I said, we need to make sure Bitcoin plays nice. Maybe we see a rally above this into March if Bitcoin does get to like 94,000, because I will say I am a little bit bearish here, and I would not be surprised if we come down at some point, test 74, 72,000. And if we stay above that level, then maybe we do go through that mini bear market, and then we finish off this year around 110,000 or 120, 150K, at least testing new all-time highs if we do start to see price action basically form towards the upside. But guys, let me know in the comments section below, how are you holding up? How are you holding up throughout this cryptocurrency space? What are you thinking about it? Are you bullish on altcoins? Are you bullish on Hedera? Are you going to be buying regardless of what is going on with the price? You're bullish because you're holding for 5 years, 10 years? Or are you a trader like me? I like to trade short term, and I like to accumulate Bitcoin by trading altcoins, and I accumulate Bitcoin that way. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about all that. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.